All right. Good morning. This is Mr. Barth again. This is the homework key to yesterday's assignment, so feel free to check your answers against this, especially if I mentioned it in the comments on when you submitted your homework. All right, real quickly, 5 questions. The bottom of a ladder must be placed 3 feet from a wall. The ladder is 12 feet long. How far above the ground does the ladder touch the wall? All right, so here's the wall. Here's the 3 feet from the wall. And the ladder itself is 12 feet. This is the ladder. So my right angle would be here, right where the wall meets the ground. And so I'm finding one of the legs. All right, I have the hypotenuse, I have one of the legs, I need the other leg. So I'm going to write 3 squared plus b squared, b I'm calling the other leg, equals 12 squared. This is 9 plus b squared equals 144. Subtract 9, cancel, I get b squared equals 135. And then I take the square root of each side, those cancel, and I get b equals... Alexa, what's the square root of 135?
The square root of 135 is 11.619.
11.6 it is. Thank you, Alexa. All right, a soccer field is 90 meters wide and 120 meters long. Okay, so I got my soccer field, 90 by 120. And they're going to run from one corner to the other corner diagonally across the field. That makes a right angle. So these are the 2 legs. I'm looking for the hypotenuse, which I'm going to call c squared. All right, so I'm going to go 90 squared plus 120 squared equals c squared. 90 squared is 8100. 120 squared is 144, followed by 2 zeros, equals c squared. So that makes this what? 2500 equals c squared. And I happen to know that 220 square root of 225 is 15. So this is going to be 150 equals c. So 150 yards from corner to corner. All right. How far from the base of the house do you need to place a 15-foot ladder so it exactly reaches the top of a 12-foot wall? Okay, so you have a wall, 12 feet tall. You have the ladder. It's 15 feet. And you want to know how far you need to place the 15-foot ladder away from the wall. Okay, so I got my right foot, and so I'm finding a leg. Okay, we're going to call this b. Sorry, not b squared, b. All right, so I got 12 squared plus b squared equals 15 squared. 12 squared is 144 plus b squared equals 225. All right, and let's see here. So I'm going to subtract 144 from each side. 144. I get b equals 1, and this is 81. Oh, I'm sorry, b squared, my bad. Take the square root of each side, those cancel, and I get b equals 9. So b is, this is going to be 9 down here. All right, let's see if I can move this up a bit. All right. What's the length of the diagonal of a 10 centimeter by 15 centimeter rectangle? Okay, so I got this rectangle. This is basically the same question as 2, same as this up here. Okay, except I have 15 and 10, and I want to know what the diagonal is. Okay, so these are both legs. I'm looking for the hypotenuse. So in my Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I'm finding the c squared. They've given me both the legs. This is 10 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. And this is 100 plus 225 equals c squared. Oops. That's 325 equals c squared. Take the square root of each side. These cancel. And Alexa, what is the square root of 325?
The square root of 325 is 18.0278.
18.2. Good. All right, diagonal of the rectangle is 25. The width is 15. What is the area of the rectangle? Ooh, area now. So let's see. I have this rectangle, and this is 25, and the width is 15, and this is some other number. So in this right triangle, I have, these are my two legs. Here's my hypotenuse. Okay. However, so I have to figure out this other leg. So I'm writing, we'll call this A. So this A squared plus 15 squared, that's my other leg, equals 25 squared. All right. And so I got it's going to be A squared plus 225 equals 625. I believe that's right. I think. Yeah, that's right. Okay, minus 225. Minus 225. I still got room here. This is 400. And those cancel, and I get A squared equals 400. Take the square root of each side, so A is 20. This is 20 up here, and they want to know the area of the rectangle, so I'm not done. So the area of the rectangle, I don't need the 25 anymore. I could just do 15 times 20, and that should be 300, and it is square inches, because the base times the height is 15 times 20. I hope you had all these right, and it's all right if you didn't. We're going to do some more today. Have a great day.